What is the hydrologic cycle? The hydrologic cycle, also known as the water cycle, is the continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. This process is crucial for sustaining life, regulating climate, and distributing water across various ecosystems. Here's an overview of each stage in the cycle.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
What is the hydrologic cycle? The hydrologic cycle, also known as the water cycle, is the continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. This process is crucial for sustaining life, regulating climate, and distributing water across various ecosystems. Here's an overview of each stage in the cycle. 1. Evaporation. Evaporation is when water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water absorbs heat from the sun and changes from a liquid to a gas or water vapor. This process moves water from the Earth's surface into the atmosphere. Warmer temperatures increase evaporation rates, causing more water to enter the air. 2. Transpiration. Transpiration occurs when plants release water vapor into the air through tiny openings in their leaves called stomata. As plants absorb water from the soil, some of it is released back into the atmosphere. Transpiration, often combined with evaporation in the term evapotranspiration, adds moisture to the atmosphere and plays a significant role in the cycle, especially in forested and vegetated areas. 3. Condensation. As water vapor rises into the cooler atmosphere, it cools down and condenses, forming tiny droplets that cluster together to create clouds. Condensation is essential because it transforms water vapor back into a liquid state, allowing it to eventually return to Earth. This stage helps form clouds and affects weather patterns. Precipitation happens when water droplets in clouds become large enough to fall back to the Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This stage replenishes water in rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater. It distributes fresh water across the planet, making it available for plants, animals, and human use. When precipitation hits the ground, water flows across the land's surface as runoff, moving downhill into rivers, lakes, and eventually into oceans. Runoff carries water and sometimes dissolved minerals and nutrients back to larger bodies of water, helping to maintain water levels in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It also erodes landscapes, shaping valleys and carrying nutrients to different ecosystems. Infiltration occurs when water seeps into the ground and moves downward into the soil. Percolation is the process by which water moves deeper through soil and rock layers. These processes recharge underground aquifers, which store fresh water below the surface. Groundwater from these aquifers can resurface in springs or be drawn up by plants, re-entering the cycle through transpiration and evaporation. The hydrologic cycle is vital for sustaining life and maintaining ecosystems. It ensures a continuous supply of fresh water for plants, animals, and humans. It influences weather and climate patterns by moving moisture and heat through the atmosphere. It provides water for plant growth and agriculture through precipitation and groundwater resources. Natural processes like infiltration and evaporation help filter impurities, making water cleaner as it moves through the cycle. This cycle is a natural system powered by the sun's energy, and it constantly renews Earth's water supply, making life possible on our planet.